SMDC Hill Residences. Napakagandang location nito along Reliance Street, corner General Luis Street. Sa bayan lang po siya ng Novaliches, at ito po ang kanyang amenities. May swimming pool po siya. It's a good investment. A strategic location. SMDC Hill Residences. So that one. SMDC Hill Residences, Reliance Street, corner General Luis Street, Novaliches, Quezon City. Ready for occupancy and also pre-selling. So invest now. SMDC Hill Residences. Napakasariwa po ng hangin dito, lusutan po ang hangin dahil sa magandang disenyo ng mga buildings, at talagang kayang-kaya po ang presyo nito. SMDC Hill Residences.